Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today's lesson is going to be so much fun. We're talking about something that many learners find interesting: American English versus British English. USAGB.
Yes, you know, English is spoken in many countries, like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and more. But sometimes the words are different.
Exactly. For example, in America, people say apartment, but in Britain, they say flat.
Or Americans say fries, and British people say chips, French fries.
So, if you've ever been confused, don't worry. Today we'll learn the most common differences between American and British English in a fun, simple way.
And we'll also practice pronunciation, learn new words, and do some role plays together.
So, grab your notebook and let's start.
Scene 1. Talking about food. Emily, I'm hungry. Let's go get some fries.
Fries? Oh, you mean chips.
No, chips are the crunchy ones from a bag.
Laughs. That's what we call crisps.
Wait, so in Britain, fries are called chips, and chips are called crisps.
That's right. It's a little confusing, but fun to learn.
Scene 2. At home.
Paul, where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Oh, I'd say flat.
And how do you get to your flat?
I take the lift.
Ah, you mean elevator.
Laughs. Yes, that's American English.
Scene 3. Traveling. Emily, I'm going on vacation next week.
That's nice. But I'd say holiday.
Holiday? Isn't that like Christmas or New Year?
Yes, but in British English, holiday means vacation.
Oh, so when you say, I'm going on holiday, it means I'm going on vacation. Got it. Scene 4. On the road.
Paul, where's your car parked?
It's in the parking lot.
We call that a car park.
Parking lot. Car park. Same idea. Different words.
Exactly. And don't forget, British people drive on the left side of the road.
That's right. Americans drive on the right side. It's so different. Vocabulary and examples. Now let's look at 15 useful American versus British English words and phrases with examples. Repeat after us. 1. Apartment USA / flat UK. I live in an apartment. She bought a small flat in London. 2. Elevator USA / lift UK. Let's take the elevator to the 10th floor. The lift is out of order today. 3. Fries USA, chips UK. I'd like a burger and fries, please. Fish and chips is a popular British meal. 4. Chips USA / crisps UK. I love eating chips while watching TV. Do you want some crisps? 5. Vacation USA / holiday UK. We're going on vacation next month. My family is planning a holiday in Spain. 6. Truck USA / Lorry UK. The truck is delivering boxes. The lorry driver is very friendly. 7. Soccer USA / Football UK. Soccer is popular in the US. Football is popular in the UK. 8. Trash can, bin. Please throw it in the trash can. Put your rubbish in the bin. 9. Sweater USA, jumper UK. I wear a sweater in winter. That's a nice jumper you're wearing. 10. Candy USA, sweets UK. Kids love candy. I bought some sweets for the children. 11. Movie theater, cinema. Let's go to the movie theater tonight. There's a new film at the cinema. 12. Cookie USA, biscuit UK. I baked some chocolate chip cookies. Would you like a biscuit with your tea? 13. Diaper USA / nappy UK. The baby needs a new diaper. I'll change the baby's nappy. 14. Mailbox USA / postbox UK. I dropped the letter in the mailbox. Put the letter in the red post box. 15. Gas station USA. Petrol station UK. Let's stop at the gas station. We need to fill up at the petrol station. 1. At the restaurant.
Paul.
Excuse me, can I have some fries, please?
Waiter. Emily. Oh, you mean chips?
Laughs right. I forgot. Chips in British English.
And would you like a soda or a fizzy drink?
A fizzy drink, please.
Perfect. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. This is a great way to learn English. 2. In the city.
Paul, look. There's a truck over there.
You mean a lorry?
Yes, I'm learning both now.
That's awesome. Learning both types of English helps you understand everyone around the world. 3. Planning a trip. I'm so excited for my vacation.
You mean your holiday?
Haha. Yes, my holiday. I'm going to the beach.
Sounds great. Don't forget your sunscreen and your jumper.
Jumper? You mean my sweater?
Yes, sweater. Same thing. Extra practice time. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
We'll say the American word, and you say the British one. Ready?
Let's go.
Apartment. Viewers repeat.
Flat,
Elevator.
lift,
Vacation.
holiday,
Fries.
chips,
Chips.
crisps,
Trash can.
bin,
Sweater.
jumper,
Candy.
sweets. Great job. Now let's try some questions for you to answer out loud. Questions for practice. What do you call the thing you wear in winter? Sweater or jumper? What word do you use for vacation or holiday? Where do you put your trash, bin or trash can? Which English do you hear more often? American or British? Which one do you like better?
Let's review everything we learned today.
First, we talked about how American and British English use different words for the same thing.
Yes, but don't worry, both are correct. You can use either one.
We learned vocabulary like apartment/flat, elevator/lift, vacation/holiday, fries/chips, chips/crisps, truck/lorry, candy, sweets, trash can/bin, and many more.
Then we practiced with fun role plays at a restaurant, in the city, and planning a trip.
And we practiced pronunciation and speaking with you. Good job.
Remember, English is spoken around the world. Understanding both American and British English helps you communicate with everyone.
We hope you had fun learning with us today.
If you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Learning for more easy English lessons every week.
Practice every day, and soon you'll sound confident and natural in English, American or British.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.